In chapters 7 and 8 of Dune by Frank Herbert, we delve further into the complexities of the Atreides family's adaptation to their new home on Arrakis and the political and environmental intricacies that come with it. Chapter 7 opens with Jessica, Duke Leto's concubine, overseeing the unpacking of the Atreides' belongings upon their arrival on Arrakis. A significant moment occurs when she instructs the placement of two particularly symbolic items: a painting of Duke Leto's father and the head of the bull that killed him. Despite Jessica's reservations, Duke Leto decides that these items should be prominently displayed in the dining room as a statement of their presence and authority on Arrakis. Duke Leto joins Jessica and discusses the strategic aspects of their move to Arrakis. He is concerned about the possibility of spice hunters leaving amidst the transition of control from House Harkonnen to House Atreides, but is optimistic about establishing diplomatic relationships with the Fremen, the indigenous people of Arrakis. Duncan Idaho, one of Leto's most trusted warriors, has been sent as an envoy to the Fremen in hopes of building an alliance. Following Leto's departure, Jessica meets with the Shadout Mapes, a Fremen who has been hired as the housekeeper for the Atreides. Through their interaction, Jessica identifies and passes a subtle test imposed by Mapes, who is intrigued by the legends of a prophesied Reverend Mother coming to liberate the Fremen. By correctly interpreting the significance of a crysknife, a sacred Fremen weapon, Jessica convinces Mapes that she might indeed be the prophesied figure. Mapes gifts Jessica the crysknife, acknowledging her as a significant figure in Fremen culture. In Chapter 8, as Jessica proceeds to check on her son Paul, she encounters Dr. Yua, who provides an enlightening view of the significance of water on this desert planet by illustrating how 20 date palm trees in their compound consume as much water daily as would support 100 men. This stark comparison serves to further emphasize the preciousness of water on Arrakis and the stark differences from their former lavish, water-abundant world of Caladan. During their conversation, Dr. Yue inadvertently reveals his inner turmoil, stemming from the Harkonnens' capture of his wife, Wana. This personal tragedy has led to Yue being blackmailed into betraying the Atreides, a secret he desperately hides from Jessica. Despite Yue's internal conflict, Jessica does not suspect him of treachery, instead noticing the apparent hate he harbors for the Harkonnens. These chapters significantly advance the thematic and plot development of Dune. They explore the Atreides' initial steps toward establishing their rule over Arrakis, while also setting in motion the primary conflicts and alliances that will shape the narrative. The interactions between Jessica, the Fremen, and Dr. Yue reveal the layers of intrigue and deception inherent in the political landscape of Arrakis. Furthermore, the introduction of the crysknife and the discussion of water usage underscore the cultural and environmental challenges that face the Atreides family in their new home. That's all for today. If you like this bookly chapter summary, please let me know by pressing the like button or leaving a comment down below.